I have traveled in exile midst cold-hearted strangers, far, far from my home and the beautiful leaf. I have struggled alone through all sorrows and dangers, and braved every storm by land and by sea. Through Colombia's wild forests, or India's spicy bowers, the great foreign river whose sands are of gold. I have sighed for thee still, midst the birds and the flowers. I love you and will till this heart.
Oh, you're kidding, John. Hold on just a second. Jerry Campbell, hold on, Jerry.
I have roved with fair maidens, with dark flowing tresses and beautiful eyes that looked kindly on me.
Okay, Jerry,
But
give me your
I
number.
thought with regret of the smiles and caresses of a fair-haired young maiden.
Thank you.
Who lived
All right,
by
we're live, so I'll
the
talk to you later. Okay, it's 630-842-7.
I have come back
Okay, thanks.
again,
Thanks.
but
Bye.
she's not in her bower, and the river flows past with its calm tiny wave. I have called her in vain, for the ivy-crowned tower of sweet Inniscarra o'ershadows her grave. The home of my childhood to ruin it has fallen, and the dear ones that blessed it shall greet me no more. But I gaze on it still, joyous visions recalling, though the long grass has grown on the step of the door. I will be with you soon, love, with the shamrock above me, from my own native Cork never more shall I roam, till I'm laid in the grave with the dear one that loved me, for in death she